You're looking at a 2016 Ram 1500 Quad Cab 4x4 with a 5.7-liter Hemi V8, 8-speed automatic, heavy-duty engine and transmission coolers. Features include SLT package, Uconnect infotainment system with a 5-inch touchscreen, Bluetooth, Sirius XM with 6 speakers, power windows and locks, power rear sliding window, steering wheel mounted voice controls, cruise control, tilt wheel, keyless entry, locking tailgate, factory 20-inch wheels, spray-in bedliner. This Ram has been inspected and serviced, and we have a copy of the work done. The tires are in good shape, and the truck runs and drives nicely. We also have the vehicle history report with no accidents reported. This truck is ready to go to work today. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana